Use any ATM of your convenience and stand a chance to win gold sovereigns.
Lanka.
In October 2023, the National Medicines Regulatory Authority revealed that forged documents were found to have been submitted for customs clearance to procure a batch of vials containing substandard human immunoglobulin. Prior to the apprehension of former Health Minister Keheliya Rambukwala, 7 arrests had been made in connection with the alleged drug procurement scam. The former Health Secretary, former Additional Health Secretary, the Director of the Health Ministry's Medical Supplies Division and 3 other officials of the same division, as well as the owner of the company which is said to have supplied the substandard batch of immunoglobulin vials, were among those arrested and placed in remand custody. Meanwhile, one of the suspects in the case, former Deputy Director of the Medical Supplies Division of the Health Ministry, Dr. Tusita Sudarshana, was released on bail when the case was previously taken up on the 6th of May. Meanwhile, the Court of Appeals on the 25th of July ordered the Maligakanda Magistrates Court to release on bail the former Director of the Health Ministry's Medical Supplies Division, Dr. Kapila Wickramanayake, who was also in remand custody. Former Health Minister Keheliya Rambukwala, who was in remand custody for over 7 months, was released on bail on the 11th of September 2024. Against this backdrop, the relevant case filed over the distribution of the substandard batch of immunoglobulin vials to state hospitals was taken up before the Maligakanda Magistrates Court yesterday. During the hearing, Deputy Solicitor General Lakmini Girihagama requested the court to grant permission to record statements from the then Cabinet of Ministers who approved the cabinet paper presented by former Health Minister Keheliya Rambukwala for the importation of the drug in question. Accordingly, the Attorney General's Department informed the court that statements are required from 18 individuals, including former President Ranil Wickremesinghe, former Prime Minister Dinesh Gunawardena, former Ministers Nimal Siripala de Silva, Douglas Devananda, Dr. Susil Premajayantha, Dr. Bandula Gunawardena, Mahinda Amaravira, Dr. Vijay Dasa Rajapaksa, Harin Fernando, Dr. Ramesh Patirana, Prasanna Ranatunga, Vidura Wickramanayake, Kanchana Vijayasekara, Nasir Ahmed, Roshan Ranasinghe, Tiran Alice, Nalin Fernando and Jagat Pushpakumara. After considering the facts presented, Maligakanda Magistrate Lochani Abe Wickrama ordered that statements be recorded from the 18 then Cabinet Ministers pertaining to the alleged importation of substandard human immunoglobulin vials.